Hello, everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is Ashley, and today we have Miss Ashia Williams with us. Miss Ashia is a native of Indiana, but currently resides in LA. She's a graduate of Howard University with a major in chemistry and has worked in the financial services and pharmaceutical industry. She is a dog mom to a Cavapoo and the aunt of 15 nieces and nephews. And today we're going to be discussing how trading correlates with your financial goals. Now let's get into this. All right, Ashia, for someone that's new to trading, what are some of the first steps that they should take before jumping in?
The very first step that most traders skip, which is really the most important step, is the mindset. So when you're trading, however you think or rationalize things is going to show up in your trading. So people who are very impulsive traders will jump into a trade, off of the impulse without analyzing the market. And then the minute they see it go down, $10 or go down like $30, they're like, oh, I got to get out. I'm losing money. And so I say that the most important thing that people should work on is the mindset. There's actually a book called Trading in the Zone, and it helps traders, kind of understand the mindset of a trader and what's needed to be successful. A lot of new traders lose trades because they just don't have that mindset to, simply buy and hold. So I would say that's definitely the most important aspect. Before you jump into anything, before the knowledge, before everything else, you really have to work on yourself to understand what kind of person am I. And I'm not saying it's bad to be impulsive, but a scalper would probably be a better trading technique for somebody who's very impulsive versus someone who is a long-term trader buying and holding.
Okay, and what exactly is a scalper? Can you briefly explain to us what that is?
Yeah, so a scalper is a trader that will typically hold a trade anywhere between 1 minute, even as low as 30 seconds. Some people scalp off of the second chart, and they'll hold it, anywhere up to an hour, 2 hours, 4 hours, and 4 hours is honestly a stretch. But they pretty much are in and out of the trade. Just boop, get some pips, get out the trade. And a pip is just the movement in the market. So it's like how we measure distance when we're walking in miles. You measure distance in trading through what's considered a pip.
Okay, well, thank you so much for sharing that with us.
Subscribe to my channel to learn more about probate real estate, financial literacy, and generational wealth planning.